Today we are going to engrave a black candle vessel with a piano. Our design is inverted for maximum glow-through effect. Hi, I'm Kimberly Patterson, and I help candle makers turn plain candles into profitable works of art using engraving and sublimation. Let's get started. First up is loading our design into our laser software. Our design was made in Canva. We are going to do something special with this piano. We are going to invert the design for maximum glow-through effect. Our settings for height on our candle vessel are always 90 millimeters. We will use the dithering effect for detail. A 4K resolution will get the job done at 100 power and 8 depth. Getting your settings right in your software is half or maybe all the battle. That's where I can help. I've done the experimenting for you, so follow my settings and you should be good to go. Once you have a quality engraver, it can become addicting. Engraving glass candle vessels are beautiful and sell well. It is a great way to differentiate yourself, but you will find yourself engraving everything. Coasters, wood, paper, even jeans just for fun. Candle makers just want to have fun, right? And this is a great way to do it. After we engrave any piece of glass, we need to wipe all the dust away and rub it down with rubbing alcohol to get any color removed from the glow-through side of things. Let's wick up using our favorite centering tool. Our client has chosen a wood wick and vanilla fragrance. I never take a chance on centering wicks, even a wood wick, because if it is just a little off, it won't burn correctly. I use Norden candle supply for my wick centering tools, and this wood wick is a spiral wood wick from Makesy. I am measuring 1 ounce of fragrance from my 14-ounce candle, which, if I did my math correctly, 7.7% fragrance load. However, I went over to 1.2 ounces, so my fragrance load is 9.38%. That is below my 10% fragrance load, so I'm happy just to go with it. I fill my beaker to exactly 400 milligrams, so there is no waste. Back from filling my beaker with my melted wax from my pot, we will stir for 2 min. I noticed the wax cooled down too quickly, so I pop it in the microwave for 20 seconds to get it back up to a good temperature for mixing. Cocoa apricot wax pours at a hot temp, and you don't have to wait for it to cool. The ideal mixing temp is 195 degrees to 197 degrees for this wax. After stirring for 2 minutes, we can watch it cure in time-lapse for the next few hours. Our cocoa apricot wax always has perfect smooth tops, and there is no need for a heat gun or a second pour. It's the next day, and our candle is ready to clip the wick and clean it up for packaging. As always, perfectly smooth tops, and we top this off with a customized engraved lid. All of the required candle information like size of candle, wax type, scent, are engraved on the inside of the lid, along with our branding so our customer can easily find us again. Thank you for joining us on the Candle Artist Way, and drop any questions you have in comments. We are here to help. See you next time.